Do you know the use of henna for decorative art was conventional during the 4th century in India, which was picturesque from cave art in the Ajanta caves. Even in ancient Egypt, henna was used for decorating mummies. From some of the historical evidences, it has been observed that the black Arabic henna textures were used in Egypt at the time of pharaohs. Henna has been a symbol of good luck, health and sensuality in the Arab world over 5,000 years. Since then, the Arabic henna themes have been continued to thrive and secured its place all over the world. Nowadays, most of the popular bridal henna designs are based on the Arabic henna patterns. So, today I will discuss and show you the techniques to draw some of the basic henna elements as well as motifs or textures, and by combining them I will make a beautiful Arabic henna design.
Hi everyone, I am Debarati and welcome back to my channel Devi's Henna Art. Hope you all are doing well. Keeping a view of the basic henna techniques, today I will project a step-by-step guide of drawing 3 individual henna textures along with some basic henna elements, and by combining them I will present a beautiful and compact Arabic henna design. I guess it will be a made easy for you guys. So hang on till the end.
So guys, before I move further, I just want to share my viewpoint of how to hold henna cones. This is very important to make proper henna elements and textures. In this case, I will say there is no particular thumb rules of holding the henna cones while drawing the designs. It is completely up to your convenience. The way you are comfortable holding the cones while making designs will be your thumb rule. Considering the designs you are about to make, just be careful about when to put pressure on the cone and when to release it. So, let's get started with the designs. So, first of all, look at the patterns I am going to show you. These are the basic henna elements. I'll use them in the main 3 henna textures. First, we will draw the lines. So, while drawing lines, put equal pressure while you continue the drawing. This way. Now, we'll draw the dots. Just put pressure and release it. One more time, I'll show you. This way. This type of patterns I am going to use in my design. Then humps. Make small m. This way. Now we'll draw the frills. This way. First we'll draw the humps. Then this way. This is your frills. Now swirls. We'll start with a circle and we'll move inward. This way we'll continue, and now we'll put some pressure, making a dot, and we'll release it. Again I'm showing you this way. Now some check designs. This way, first I'll make some boxes here. So with the horizontal and vertical lines I will make grid. So it will look like a chessboard. Now we'll take the first box and we'll make a dot. We'll leave second one and we'll make a dot, and this way we will go on. Here we will leave the first box and we'll put a dot here, again here, and this way we will fill the checks. Now next one, we'll make some zigzag pattern this way. Again this way. And here inside we'll make small dots. Now we will start with a flower. We will draw one more flower using the swirl and humps. The second basic design I'm going to show you is a paisley shape texture. Texture is vine. So here we will learn to draw some leaves also.
If you think my content is a bit helpful, please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.